Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Creative Mind. Today I am going to discuss about the two posts on the Apsc, Assam Public Service Commission. So the name of the post is Assistant Account Officer AAO of Assam Power Distribution Company Limited Apdcl. Total number of posts 69. Open category they have 36 posts for open category and 13 posts for reserved for women. So pay scale 25,000 to 92,000, with pay 11,000, pay band 3. So everyone can apply. Who belongs from arts, science and commerce can apply the post. This is the characteristics of the post. Now the starting date for online application is 15/6/2024 and closing date for online application 14/7/2024. Last date for payment of application fees 16/7/2024. The fees structure of the advertisement is that for the general people 297.20, for ST, SC, ST, OBC, MOBC 197.20, BPL 47.20, PWBD 47.20. All details have preserved it in my Google Drive. Everyone who can observe the advertisement should visit the Google Drive to collect the advertisement. Now I am going to the second advertisement of AEGCL, Assam Electricity Grid Corporation Limited. They have also 61 posts, 61 vacancies. For open category 31 posts and for reserved for women is 9 posts. I have preserved it in my Google Drive. Who can observe the advertisements. Everyone can visit my Google Drive to collect it. Thanks for watching my video. Good luck. If you want to observe another video in my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.